Alright, unboxing video of 2 HPI Bajas. One for my wife and one for me. And we want to add thanks to John at Fast Freight Hobbies for getting these to us as fast as he did. So we're going to start by putting this on this table.
Oh.
Like this. There you go. Alright.
Okay.
This is for her. Let me go over here. Oh, let me get you a knife.
Sweet. Okay.
There you go.
There's one seal, HPI sealed.
This is awesome.
This is a very exciting day.
Okay, you got it. I'll take that.
I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna open this.
Pull them out.
Oh, that's right.
There you go.
I should have seen
Like this.
that. Okay.
Dump them.
Oh, all right. Let's see.
There you go. Awesome.
Let's see how that works. Oh, there we go. Oh. Did you want to take a close up?
Yes, let's get this. And wow.
Nice.
Oh my God.
It's pretty big.
I don't think the camera does justice for what we're actually seeing here live.
This is
Wow.
awesome.
Go ahead. I'll
Okay,
just
we're
hold it
gonna
on.
start here with this. I think this looks like the radio receiver.
That is
It is all bubbled up.
looking good there, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Got your antenna, goes up and down, your wheels. Batteries go down there. And now our next package. Looks like we
What we got
have our, or mine. Those are plugins.
Is that the charger?
Looks like a charger. We got different plugins
What is that?
for the wall.
It is. It's for other countries and stuff, I guess.
Yeah, huh.
Cool.
Don't normally get that
Here,
in
put-
any package.
There you go.
And we have our bag of goodies. Not gonna open that up now. Option set, tools, all the oils and stuff.
And your wing.
Yeah, there's the wing there.
Well, that's
Nice,
massive.
nice,
Does it feel
sturdy.
strong?
It feels very sturdy.
Wow. That is heavy duty.
Yep, we'll open that later because we want the goody that's in here. We don't want to mess around today. We're out for business. And this is the business.
After you lift that up, I'll pull the box out. First, get your manual.
You go ahead and get the manual out.
Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that.
It's heavy, but it's not so heavy that I can't pick it up. We got owner's manual. We got
Batteries
6 batteries.
for the remote. Awesome.
Got my little stickers here. Put my little smiley face. This is my antenna cover, and so that's it. 5B.
Wow.
Set that there. Now for the good stuff right here.
Wow. That thing is huge. I mean,
Look at them tires. Big.
nice and firm. Whoa.
Yep.
That is too cool.
Feel that.
This is too cool. This thing is more
Strong.
massive than I thought.
Strong, not plastic.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Look at those shocks. Look at how big those shocks are. Those front shocks.
Oh my god.
Rear shocks. Feel that spring, how thick it is.
Unbelievable. That thing is awesome. We were going to buy Rowan, but we had decided at the last minute.
Would you like to get a shot of the under
Yeah, let's
side?
stand it
I'll
up
go
on
ahead
its
and
back.
stand it up.
There you go. Look at that. This thing is massive.
How long
This
it
thing
is
is massive.
compared to like a fifth or a 1/10.
All right. Okay.
Look at
So-
the ball bearing in there.
Okay, let me set this down. So
Lights. Well, they will be lights
we
eventually.
can do something like this.
Still recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. What I want to do is set that buggy on this box. Okay.
Okay.
No. I want
you
to
want
set the buggy.
Oh, the
On the
buggy
box.
on the box.
This thing is massive. Wow. I can't stop looking at it. Now we have another one. We're trying to move along here because we know it takes a while to get these videos uploaded. So we're going to move along with this.
This
And this is my 5SC. We just went and picked these up. Do you want to hold the I've been watching everybody do this on YouTube, and I wanted to do it for myself. But we think that we have the first black HPI's unboxing.
That thing
at
is massive. Wow.
That thing is huge. Oh my God.
I suppose all your accessories are under, so you're probably gonna have to take your truck out to get.
Yeah, kind of looks that way, huh? I think everybody does it like this. Oh my God. Let me hold this kind of like this while I remove the box.
You want your stuff out? Your goodies?
Yeah, pull that out and let me move.
We can open that up.
thing is heavy.
Wow. Giganto.
You try to pick that up with one hand right there by the handle. Go ahead and pick that up if you would.
It is heavy. Very heavy to lift up with just one arm, yes.
Wow.
I didn't think I'd be able to lift it at all. But
All right, let's get a picture of underneath. Yeah. What do we got there?
ooh. That is a big chassis there. It's your dirt plates, is that what they call that?
Dirt guards.
Dirt guards.
This thing is huge and it's very heavy. Okay.
That is painted on there.
Huh?
That is painted on there.
Huh. Well, this is a little different then. Then will have to come off. All right, let's look under the hood here. I love them clips. Feels like really nice quality.
And they stay attached to the body? Is that how they do that?
They do. They're attached to the body. You don't have to chase them down.
Oh yeah, they do. That's neat. Most companies don't do that.
Wow, this thing.
Wow. Hold that up to your big.
This thing is huge.
Here, if you want to take any shots.
You got that.
Okay. Looks almost like my bar there, except for
It
the.
looks like, yeah.
See, yours is plastic. That's metal. There's your little
Yes.
mud flaps.
Okay, well, let me have the box.
Your box of goodies.
Okay, and this.
I don't think there's.
Did I get a
anything.
manual? I did.
Yours
Right
is
there.
right here. That's yours.
Awesome.
5SC.
Okay. We've been waiting a very long time for this. In this package we have
There's your bag of goodies, all
a bag
your
of
oil.
goodies and all my oils. Looks like some spare parts in there.
So-
Some sort. I'm not going to open this right now.
yeah.
And in here we have possibly the same thing you had in your box.
Wall plugs and charging cord.
Look at that. And in
Should
this
have
box,
your